This is our A3 single-head industrial-grade DTF printer. Now we are doing some continuously printing. Now printing is finished. Industrial-grade DTF printer will not get slow when doing the continuously printing, so it is suitable and much better for mass production printing business. Then we could do the powder shaking by manual. Then do the heat press processing on the t-shirt or other garment. Peel off the film. Now we rub the fabric and we'll see the printing is fixed very well. Then do a washing test again to check how the ink fixed on the fabric. It is showing good and durable. The color did not fade off.